Hi everyone, my name is Taylor Baloney and I'm the founder and CEO of Find My Everything. Today I'm really excited because I will be doing a product demo where I will be showing my product and explaining how the product works as well as the app. So this is my product and I will be showing you all the different features and functions of it. So here is the physical product. It's actually in the shape of a footprint because that is our logo and our main theme with Find My Everything. Because with a footprint, you can always trace your way back. We also wanted to make the device aesthetically pleasing, unique, and different. A lot of other tracking devices are big and bulky and not very unique. So we wanted a tracking device that didn't really look like a tracking device and was different and creative, and we'll have users be able to customize it with the colors and designs and engraving. Right here is actually the 2G, where the 2G or 3G SIM card would actually be placed. It actually is IoT or Internet of Things device because it actually works with an app on the user's mobile phone or tablet. The connectivity, which helps to connect the device and the app, what we use is actually a 2G or 3G SIM card. So a lot of other devices use Bluetooth technology, which is very limited with the range. So with this, anywhere that you find where the 2G and 3G cellular service covers, you can find the device. So that's definitely a competitive advantage. Now, let's zoom in on this app. Once you first sync the device to the app, you'll be able to go on the app and see a map. And this shows the exact location of the device. The great thing about this device is actually it's real-time tracking. So you can see the exact location in real-time tracking. So as the device moves, you'll see it move on the app, which is great, especially if something happens and a person, is either abducted or going missing. There's many things that a GPS tracking device can be used for. Find My Everything's main target market right now is focusing on the global human trafficking epidemic. There are a lot of people going missing in all kind of neighborhoods. It's not only global, but it's happening right here in the US, and we're helping to try to combat that. Once people go missing, a lot of times there's no way for their loved ones to be able to find them. So we would like to put an end to that, and this will actually be one of the ways we can help to solve this problem with the device. Not only with the GPS tracking, but one of my favorite features is actually the SOS button. So there's a SOS button right here on the device. If the user presses that, a direct signal will be sent to whatever number is programmed with the device. And if you go here on the app, you'll see that up to 3 numbers can be programmed with the device, which is great. So if the first 2 numbers don't answer, it'll automatically go to the 3rd number. So some other features that I really like, one would be the Guardian list. So you can have multiple people tracking the same device. This is great for children especially. You can have both parents, the grandparents, even the babysitter seeing where that child is. Another thing that I really do enjoy would definitely be, I do like the GPS working mode. There's 2 types of modes. One is normal mode, which means it updates the location of the device every 10 minutes. One is real-time positioning, which is every 10 seconds. I would suggest for the user to keep it on normal mode to save the battery life, and if something happens, an emergency arises, they can go on real-time positioning. And I know that, some people say, well, if a person has a phone, they can just use their phone to contact if something happens. But if an emergency arises, sometimes people can't get their phone out in time. And unfortunately, if they, are abducted, a lot of times their phones are taken away from them. And that's why this device is so important. So those are the main functionalities of the device. The SOS feature, the real-time positioning, and the Guardian list. Another key feature that I really like would be this security zone. So with the security zone or the safety area, you can actually put this geofence barrier in the safety area, which is basically a perimeter for wherever you want the perimeter to be. So let's say the perimeter is your home. You put the address in, and you can put, I want to be alerted if if the device is not within 100 miles of this, or even up to 5,000 miles of this. So you can put the address and then you can put the radius. And what happens is, if the device is no longer in that safety area, the user will be alerted. And this is great, especially for young children especially. So this is my device, both the physical device and the app. As I said before, our main target market right now is helping to combat the huge global human trafficking epidemic. You can actually find out more by going to www.findmyeverything.org. Thank you very much.